Hello everyone, my name is George. I'm from the Newline Interactive Europe. We are in hall 11, B170. Today we introduce a 55-inch 4K 60 Hz interactive screens. You can see this is all-in-one solutions with the cameras, with the microphones, with the sensor, everything built-in. Also, it can do the landscape mode and the portrait mode. The application for this one we can do with the video cameras. As you can see, we have some image over here. We can use the Skype to do the cameras, to the video conference. Also, we can make annotations simply using the Windows Sketch. Okay, so you can do these ones. You can even do the screen captures. You can make annotation in front of it to do and share the screen to the other far ends. These solutions give about the integration of your meeting room to your lighting system, to other sensors, to a proximity. So when you enter the meeting room, directly the screen will turn on. So this is our new product to go full integration for your corporate and business environment. For more information, please visit our website www.newlineinteractive.com. Thank you.